Hi, everyone. My name is Mike Haischer, and I'm a PhD student at Marquette University. And the title of my presentation is The Effects of Maximal Strength on Ground Reaction Force Patterns During Counter-Movement Jumps. Well, there is clear evidence that strength is important for performance of dynamic tasks like the counter-movement jump. Relationships between CMJ variables and strength are not consistent within the literature. Importantly, extracting discrete variables for analysis, as is common, neglects time-varying patterns within the data. Alternatively, principal components analysis uses waveforms as input and extracts these patterns, potentially providing greater insight into biomechanical information relevant to performance. Thus, the purpose of this study was to determine the effects of maximal strength on ground reaction force patterns in collegiate athletes. 3 patterns were extracted from the GRF data, with each representing a different pattern of variation as described within the table. PC2 was positively correlated to IMTP peak force and peak rate of force development of the CMJ, and the third pattern, PC3, was positively correlated to CMJ height. To summarize, maximal strength was correlated to the pattern, PC2, that captured variations in peak ground reaction forces in the presence of a bimodal ground reaction force profile. The direction of the correlation indicated that players with greater maximal strength exhibited greater eccentric rate of force development, greater ground reaction forces, and a unimodal profile. Additionally, CMJ height was correlated to a different pattern, demonstrating that players with a shorter unweighing phase and longer ground reaction force plateau during the concentric phase were able to jump higher. Finally, these results emphasize that PCA may provide better information about the relationship between maximal strength and CMJ dynamics than discrete variables, evidenced by the fact that maximal strength did not correlate to any discrete CMJ metrics, but was associated with patterns within the time series data. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other ISBS videos on YouTube.